Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we're going to learn how to notify team on Slack for new Instagram leads and send automated WhatsApp message. So I am an owner of a business and I promote my business with the help of Instagram lead ads. Here what I want is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers using Instagram lead ads, I want to notify the new lead being generated to my team on the Slack channel that I've created. And with that, I also want to send a WhatsApp message to the customer who have generated the lead. And for that, if I'm going to do this manually, it is going to take me a lot of time. So what I did was, I simply created an automation using Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So here in this automation, what we're going to learn is that whenever by any of my potential customers, a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads, I want to notify that to my team on the Slack channel that I've created with the lead details. And with that, I also want to send a WhatsApp message to the lead that is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads. And I will be sending the WhatsApp message using WhatsApp AI Sensei. If you want, you can use Vati, Interact or WhatsApp Cloud API to create your own message template. And for that, we're going to create an automation between all of these applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you want to learn about this amazing automation, then let me take you all to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to notify team on Slack for new Instagram leads and send automated WhatsApp messages. So I'm an owner of a business and we run Instagram ads to promote our products and services. We use inquiries from potential customers via Instagram lead ads. With the help of this integration, as soon as a lead comes in, a personalized WhatsApp message is automatically forwarded to the customer, thanking them for their interest and providing more information. At the same time, my team receives an instant notification on Slack with the lead details, ensuring they are aware and ready to assist with any follow-up actions. And we are going to be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. So as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly Apps window in front of you, in which you can see the 5 applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on Access Now. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So for the name of my workflow, I'm going to give it as Notify Team on Slack for new Instagram leads and send automated WhatsApp message. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. Okay, next it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click right over here. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select automations for lead management as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving a name to a workflow and selecting the folder, let's click on Create. In order to create a workflow is created in the name of Notify Team on Slack for new Instagram leads and send automated WhatsApp messages, and there are 2 windows in front of you. One over here says Trigger, other says Action. Trigger and Action are the 2 most important steps for automation process, because our process depends on these 2 concepts. Over here, Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action is a response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. Firstly, we're going to set up our trigger step, and it is asking for us to select our trigger application, which is going to be Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, as with the help of Instagram lead ads I'm promoting my business and I'm collecting the leads data with the help of it. So my objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of my potential customers using Instagram lead ads, automatically Pabbly Connect should capture the response. After selecting the trigger application, for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new lead instant, so that whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of Instagram lead ads, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. After selecting the trigger application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with Instagram lead ads. As you can see that I've successfully authorized Instagram lead ads to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the page and the lead gen form. So this is the Instagram account with the help of which I'm running my Instagram lead ads. And this account is connected to my Facebook page that I've created in the name of Peak Performance Physio. So I'm going to show you the connection between the page and Instagram page. For the click on the settings button. As you go to do that, under settings over here from the left side of the panel, click on this linked accounts under permissions. You can see that an Instagram page in this name is connected to this Facebook page that I've created. You can see this is the same Instagram page and this is connected to my Facebook page. Okay, so here if I'm going to open my Meta Ads Manager, you can see this is the ad campaign that I'm running with the help of Instagram lead ads. This is the campaign that I'm running. Okay, and the campaign that I'm running is in the status of in draft. You can see right over here, this is not a live campaign. So over here you can see this Facebook page Peak Performance Physio is connected to my Instagram account, as you can see right over here. So what we're going to do is over here in our workflow for the page, we are going to select it as Peak Performance Physio, as this page is connected to my Instagram lead ad. So what I'm going to do is for the page I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio. Okay, and then for the lead gen form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of new Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select that lead gen form from this drop down. Okay, you have to select your own lead gen form with the help of which your leads are going to submit the data. Okay, so I've selected a lead gen form. So after selecting the page and the form, we are going to click on the save and send test request button. Before that, turn on the simple response bracket. Okay, now click on the save and send test request button. As I'm going to do that, over here it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we are going to do is we are now going to generate a test lead. Why are we generating a test lead? Because you can see I've already told you this is not a live campaign, it's a draft campaign right away that I've created with the help of Meta Ads Manager. Okay, and as it is not a live campaign, we have to generate a test lead to check whether Instagram lead ads successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. And for generating the test lead, we are going to open our lead ads testing tool. With the help of this amazing tool, we can generate the test lead. Okay, it is asking for us to select the page and the form. So for the page over here, I'm going to select it as Peak Performance Physio, and for the form as new Instagram lead ads form. Okay, because this is the form that I've created. After selecting the page and the form, click on this preview form button. As we go to do that, this form is going to appear in front of you, and with the help of this form, all my leads are going to submit their data. It is asking for the full name of our lead. For that, I'm going to write it as smartuser44. For the email over here, I'm going to write it as smartuser44@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number over here, I'm going to write in a dummy mobile number. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and submit to do the test submission. As you can see, it says your test lead has been sent. So now as the test lead is generated, I'm going to open my workflow that I've created, and I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of this test lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open my workflow, I'm going to scroll down, and yes, you can see right away in the response, we have received the test lead data for the full name as smartuser44, email as smartuser44@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number, a dummy mobile number with all the other details. So this means that Instagram lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated by any of our potential customers using Instagram lead ads, automatically Pabbly Connect is then going to capture the response. So this means our trigger setup is done. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. And for the action application, as our objective is that whenever a new lead is generated, I want to first notify that to my team on Slack channels. For the action application over here, I'm going to select it as Slack. Okay, I'm going to select my action application as Slack. And for the action event, I'm going to select as send channel message, as now I want to notify my team on the Slack channel that I've created. Okay, so this is a channel that I've created in the name of Instagram lead details, and on this channel I want to send message notifications with lead details telling my team members that a new lead is generated with the help of Instagram lead ads. Okay, so that is why for the action application I've selected it as Slack, and for the action event as send channel message. After that, we're going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, click on connect with Slack. It is going to ask you for the token type, either it can be user or a bot. So I'm going to select my token type over here as bot. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this save button. A new window is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for a permission. So I'm going to click on allow, as the save process in my data is perfectly saved with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button. As you can see that we successfully authorized Slack to Pabbly Connect. After authorizing, it is asking for us to select the channel. So for the channel over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Instagram leads details. As in this channel, I want to forward the notifications. So what I'm going to do is over here for this, in the search bar, I'm going to search for Instagram lead details. Okay, so this is channel. You need to select the channel on which you want to send a message to your team to. Okay, after that, it's asking for the message that I want to send to our Slack channel to our team. Okay, So for the message over here, I'm going to write it as, so this is the message that I want to send as a notification to my team on Slack channel that I've created. It says new Instagram lead alert, lead details, name, email, phone number, lead source as Instagram lead ads, action required, please review the lead details and follow up accordingly. If you have any questions or need assistance, let us know. So this is the channel notification that I want to send on my Slack to my team, okay? And for the lead details like the name, email and the phone number, what we are going to do is we are going to map the data. Mapping means inserting data from the previous step, so we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is that as soon as I'm going to click on this field, you can see right away it says Instagram lead ads new lead instant. This was the previous step of this workflow, and as I'm going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. As over here it is asking for the lead's name, so from my previous response I am going to select the data of the lead's name right over here, okay? So as I selected the data from my previous response, the data is mapped, and as I mapped the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. Similarly for the email, I'm going to map the data of the email, and for the phone number, I'm going to map the data of the phone number, okay? After filling in all the required details of this message, I'm going to move on to my next step. Next, it is asking for the image, URL, alt text. I don't require the fields, so I'm going to skip the part. For the bot name, as I want to send a message with the help of a bot, so for the bot name over here, I'm going to select it as new lead alert. So this is the bot name that I want to give. You can add your own bot icon as well right over here. I do not require them, so I'm going to skip the part. I'm going to skip all the details as I don't require them, okay? After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, I have received a response over here that is a positive response. So now I'm going to open a Slack channel that I've created, and I'm going to check whether a notification regarding the new lead being generated is forwarded to my Slack channel or not. For that, I'm going to open my Slack channel that I've created, and yes, you can see right over here a notification regarding the new Instagram lead alert has been forwarded to my Slack channel with the lead details, name as smartuser44, email as smartuser44@pabblytuts.com with a dummy mobile number, and lead source as Instagram lead ads. So as the notification is successfully forwarded to my Slack channel, this means that Slack is now successfully connected to Pabbly Connect. So now what is going to happen, whenever a new lead is going to be generated using Instagram lead ads by any of our potential customers, automatically a notification regarding that is going to be forwarded to my Slack channel with the lead details, okay? So with that, I also want to send a WhatsApp message to the lead that has been generated. So for that, I'm going to add an action step to this workflow, and for the action application, I'm going to select it as WhatsApp AI Sensei. As with the help of WhatsApp AI Sensei, I have created a message template with the help of which I will be sending WhatsApp messages to all the leads that are generated. So this is the WhatsApp message template that I've created using WhatsApp AI Sensei, and I want to forward this message to my leads which are being generated using Instagram lead ads, okay? So that is why for the action application, I've selected it as WhatsApp by AI Sensei, and for the action event as send template message, as I want to send this template as a message to all of my leads, okay? After selecting the action application and the event, I'm going to click on this connect button. A new window is going to appear, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After that, it is asking for the API key with the help of which we are going to connect AI Sensei to Pabbly Connect. For that, open your WhatsApp AI Sensei account. So this is my WhatsApp by AI Sensei account, and with the help of this account, we are going to have the detail of this API key to connect it with Pabbly Connect, okay? So this is my WhatsApp AI Sensei account, and from the left side of the panel, you have to click on this manage settings button right over here. As we're going to do that, under manage, there are multiple options from which we are going to click on API key right over here. And you can see an API key page is then going to appear in front of you, and a key is provided to you, okay? I'm going to regenerate this key from here, click on this confirm button, and then I'm going to copy this key from here, and I'm going to paste the key right over here, okay? So this is the API key. Now I'm going to click on this save button. As I've done that, you can see WhatsApp by AI Sensei is connected to Pabbly Connect. After that, it is asking for us to select the campaign name. So before that, you have to create a campaign. Before giving a campaign, you have to create a campaign in your WhatsApp by AI Sensei account. So firstly, we're going to create a campaign in our WhatsApp by AI Sensei account, okay? So I've created a message template over here in the name of Instagram lead message. And for this message, we are going to create a campaign in our WhatsApp by AI Sensei account, okay? So for that, for creating a campaign, from the left side of the panel, you have to click on this campaigns button right over here, okay? After that, you have to click on this plus launch button on the top right corner. This page is then going to appear in front of you, under which it says API campaign. We're going to click on this next button. It is going to ask you for the campaign names, and for the campaign name over here, we're going to give it as
Instagram new lead. So this is the campaign name, okay? And for the template, we need to set the message template that we have created. So I've created a message template in the name of Instagram lead message. So I'm going to select that message template. So this is the template that I've created right over here. I'm going to read the template, hello. Next to hello, I've added a variable right over here. In place of this variable right over here, as you can see in front of this and in the end of this, there are two curly brackets. So this is a variable. In place of this variable, I want to add the data of my customer's name, of my lead's name that is generated. That is why I've added this variable, okay? Next it says, thank you for your interest in our brand. As a special thank you, we are offering you an exclusive discount offer on your next purchase. Just use the code PPP2024. If you have any questions or need assistance with our order, feel free to reply to the message or contact our customer service team at this number. We look forward to serving you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is a message template that I want to send to my leads that are generated. Okay. So we have to create a campaign first before using this template. So this is the campaign name and the template that I've selected. Now I'm going to click on this set live button. Okay. Then we're going to click on this go to campaign button. So now a campaign has been created in the name of Instagram new leads and the status is live. This means the campaign is live right now. Okay. So now what we're going to do is over here for the campaign name, as it is asking for the status to be live. So this is a live campaign. Over here for the campaign name, I'm going to write it as Instagram new leads because this is the name of my campaign. You can see right over here. Okay. After giving the campaign name, it is asking for the mobile number on which you want to send a WhatsApp message to. As I want to send a WhatsApp message to my leads, so what we are going to do is for the mobile number, I'm going to map the data of the mobile number of my leads right over here. Okay. Next, it is asking for the username. For the username, I'm going to map the data of the name of my customer, the lead right over here, as it says to whom we want to send a message to. So I map the data of the customer as I want to send this message to the lead that has been generated using Instagram lead ads. Okay. After that, it is asking for the source and the tag. I don't require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. Next, it is saying template parameter. So I've already told you that I've added a variable in this template. You can see right over here. So this template parameter is the same variables. For the template parameter, I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead right away. As in place of this variable that I've created, I want to add the name of my customer. So what I've done is I mapped the data of the name of my customer. Okay, the lead right over here. Okay. Next, it is asking for the attributes, URL, and the file name. I do not require all the fields, so I'm going to skip the part. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request button. As I've done that, we have received a response and the status it comes as true. So I'm going to open my WhatsApp and I'm going to check whether a WhatsApp message is forwarded to my number or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see on my WhatsApp, I have received a new message. It says, hello smart user 44. This was the name of our lead. It says, thank you for your interest in our brand. As a special thank you, we are offering you an exclusive discount offer on our next purchase. Just use this code. If you have any questions or need assistance with your order, feel free to reply to this message or contact our customer service team at this number. We look forward to serving you. Thank you. Best regards. So this is the message template that has been forwarded to my number using WhatsApp AI Sensei. So this means that we successfully created an automation between Instagram, Slack and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a business and I promote my business using Instagram lead ads. Here my objective is that whenever a new lead is going to be generated by one of my potential customers using Instagram lead ads, I want to notify that to my team on Slack whenever a new lead is generated with the lead details. And with that, I also wanted to send a WhatsApp message to my lead. And I've forwarded the message with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei as I've created a template using that. And for that, we have created this amazing automation between Instagram lead ads, Slack and WhatsApp with the help of Pabbly Connect, and this is how you create this amazing automation. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect between multiple applications. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask your queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding the pricing of Pabbly Connect, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions and doubts, and please share this video, and thank you for watching.